béèyàn bá lẹ́ni ń gbẹ́jọ́ tó bá rojọ́ ẹnu tí a jàre béèyàn ò bá lẹ́ni ń gbẹ́jọ́ tó bá rojọ́ ẹnu tí a jẹ̀bi àwọn lékè lónímàlẹ́ ẹyẹ bí wọ́n bá ti jí wọ́n á wẹwọ́ tẹ́ni wọ́n á wẹsẹ̀ tẹ́ni wọ́n á fẹ́ wàhálà sọ́rùn wọ́n á gorí ìrókò wọ́n á kéwú tán sọ́lọ́run.
Hi guys, welcome to Get Rebel Life TV. This is where we talk about African culture, traditions, and religion. I thank you all for watching my videos. I thank you all for liking and for your comments, even your advice. And as well, I thank you for your support, both in cash and in kind. So this video is just to share my own opinion concerning an assumption by some people that Ifa can never talk about the Abrahamic religions or cannot recommend the Abrahamic religions. You know, and if you watch my previous video on this, I said it categorically that we are still doing our research to know if truly Ifa can talk about or can make reference to the Abrahamic religions while chanting Ifa. And I said that Ifa talks about the past, talks about the future, and talks about the present, situation. So, luckily, I posted another video recently now, you know, the interview that I granted Babaraba of Shomolu Bariga, Baba Ajanoku. So, in fact, I didn't even take note of this particular stanza of Ifa that is chanted. And of course, this Babalawo is a notable one and is highly knowledgeable. In fact, he was even born into Ifa, you know, not like some of us who later you know, left the Abrahamic religions for this Ifa spirituality, even though all of us were born into the tradition. But unfortunately, a large number of us in Nigeria, in Africa, are no more, you know, followers of Isese, followers of our ancestral path. So this Babalawo chanted a particular stanza of an Odu IFA, which I want us to look into, you know, because I always say on this page that nobody knows it all. So because some people like to come to the comment section to challenge or to question what we do, fine, it is allowed. You can question us and you can you know, contribute your own knowledge, right? But we only advise that you should make it reasonable enough, and you should criticize constructively. That is the only thing that we're talking about. We don't like cyber bullying at all. We don't like it. Nobody likes it. Okay, so I want to make reference to a particular stanza of Ifa that this Baba chanted, which of course is a testimony of what I do say, that we cannot judge, we cannot categorically say that whatever Babalawo says, we cannot categorically say that is wrong, because Ifa, as of today, has no general reference. We don't have a general place to reference, you know, whenever a Babalawo chant an Odu IFA. So, but unfortunately, some of us biased. We are biased, I can say it, because when you do not know someone, maybe a Babalawo, maybe when we bring a Babalawo that you've never heard from him before, you don't know him, maybe he doesn't have name. So when you hear a stanza of an Odu IFA that you've never heard before, some of you guys like to come and challenge, you know, the way we come out to say as if we know it all is not that encouraging. So without wasting much of our time, the stanza, I'm going to play the video for you now again for you to just watch and listen to the particular stanza that I want to make reference to. But let me just first of all chant it. Let me try to chant the stanza for you, so that for some of you who are much more versed in Ifa, you can still make your comment. You can make your comment. You can comment in the comment section, through the comment section. Okay, so the Ifa says that
béèyàn bá lẹ́ni ń gbẹ́jọ́ tó bá rojọ́ ẹnu tí a jàre, béèyàn ò bá lẹ́ni ń gbẹ́jọ́ tó bá rojọ́ ẹnu tí a jẹ̀bi, àwọn lékè lónímàlẹ́ ẹyẹ, bí wọ́n bá ti jí wọ́n á wẹwọ́ tẹ́ni, wọ́n á wẹsẹ̀ tẹ́ni, wọ́n á fẹ́ wàlà sọ́rùn, wọ́n á gorí ìrókò, wọ́n á kéwú tan sọ́lọ́run.
bí ènìyàn bá lẹ́ni ń gbẹ́jọ́ tó bá rojọ́ tiẹ̀ á jàre, bí ènìyàn ò bá lẹ́ni ń gbẹ́jọ́ tó bá rojọ́ tiẹ̀ á jẹ̀bi. So this is where I'm going. Àwọn lékè ni onímọ̀lẹ̀ ẹyẹ, bí wọ́n bá ti jí wọ́n á wẹwọ́ tẹ́ni, wọ́n á wẹsẹ̀ tẹ́ni, wọ́n á wẹ̀wù àlà sọ́rùn, wọ́n á gorí ìrókò, wọ́n á kéwú tan sọ́lọ́run. So this is exactly where I'm going. Àwọn lékè ni onímọ̀lẹ̀ ẹyẹ, bí wọ́n bá ti jí wọ́n á wẹwọ́ tẹ́ni, wọ́n á wẹsẹ̀ tẹ́ni, wọ́n á wẹ̀wù àlà sọ́rùn, wọ́n á gorí ìrókò, wọ́n á kéwú tan sọ́lọ́run. So for those of you who are not Yoruba, the English meaning of this is that àwọn lékè, even though I can't just give the exact English meaning, but I think I should be able to try to translate it. So it's talking about àwọn lékè, those lékè, Onimole. The people we call Onimole in Yoruba land, they are the Muslims. Onimole, Esimole. That is exactly what we say. We say Esimole. So, well, for those of you who are much more versed in Ifa, can see come and explain what Onimole Eye means. The word Onimole Eye is exactly what I want you to tell us the meaning. So, Onimole Eye. So, because as far as I'm concerned, when you say Onimole are the Muslims. So, bí wọ́n bá ti jí, then when they wake up, wọ́n wẹwọ́ tẹ́ni, they wash their hands. Wọ́n wẹwọ́ tẹ́ni, they wash their hands. That's the meaning. So, wọ́n wẹsẹ̀ tẹ́ni, they wash their legs. Wọ́n fẹ́ wàlà sọ́rùn, they wear white. Wọ́n gorí ìrókò, they climb the tree, ìrókò tree. So, wọ́n kéwú tan sọ́lọ́run. Wọ́n kéwú tan sọ́lọ́run. So, when in Yoruba land we say kewu, kewu means Arabic. Kewu is Arabic text. Kewu, that is, we want to chant. Kewu is just like the way we say we chant Ifa. So, they too, they kewu. So, in Yoruba land we say kewu. So, they chant their Arabic stanzas. Let me put it that way. So, wọ́n kéwú tan. So, this particular Ifa stanza is making reference to how Muslims worship their God, how Muslims worship. So we can say it's a literal, stanza. Let me just put it that way. Like it's just like metaphor, right? Because it's just like using this particular, we are talking about a year. So it's just like metaphor. So kewu tan sọ́lọ́run, with this particular stanza is making reference to how Muslims pray. So this is exactly what I'm going to. How Muslims pray is exactly what this various chanter is talking about. So this is my own personal observation and my opinion. So I want you guys to come to the comment section and prove this, and let's know exactly what this very stanza is talking about. So let's know what this stanza is talking about. So B1 ba IT tó bá rojọ́ ẹni wá jẹ̀bi. Okay, it says that àwọn lékè ni onímọ̀lẹ̀ ẹyẹ. Àwọn lékè ni onímọ̀lẹ̀ ẹyẹ, bí wọ́n bá ti jí wọ́n wẹwọ́ tẹ́ni, wọ́n wẹsẹ̀ tẹ́ni, wọ́n wẹ̀wù àlà sọ́rùn, wọ́n gorí ìrókò, wọ́n kéwú tan sọ́lọ́run. So I'm throwing this to you. I just said my own meaning of this. So for those of you who are much more versed in Ifa stanzas or in Yoruba language, let me put it that way. So if you can translate Yoruba much more better, please kindly translate this very stanza perfectly and correctly, and let us know what exactly this very Odu IFA is talking about, because you cannot tell me that Baba Araba Shomolu Gariba does not know what he's saying. You cannot say that, because I know very well that he's highly knowledgeable, he's highly vast in IFA, and is the notable IFA priest. So I want you guys to say again that he doesn't know what he's talking about, because as far as I'm concerned, he knows what he's talking about. So thank you. I will be waiting for your comment. Thank you once again. I get a better life.